Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be telling you about the if condition in Excel. Here I have some example data like item and budget, actual and status and amount over. Here so yeah, I'll be writing the condition for these two columns, status and amount over. So those conditions, so the first condition in the status, here it is like if my actual amount is more than the budget value, then it should be over budget, otherwise it's under budget. So to write this condition, I will start by writing like this: if, then in the bracket, my actual if more than my my budget value, then it will be called as over budget, otherwise else under budget. Then you have to just click on enter. Okay, so here you can see that, and then you need to drag down to the last cell you have, and it is all over budget, and the last row it is under budget as this actual is less. So this is the first condition, and now I'll show you one more condition. If my suppose your actual is more, then what is the difference between these two columns? If it is under budget, in those cases I'm not considering anything, but if it is over budget, so how much is the difference? So that's what I'll be collecting here. So to write this again, you have to start with if my this column, actual column, is more than this, then you have to find the difference between these two, actual minus this budget, and otherwise it's a 0. Just click on enter again. Okay, now I will drag down to the bottom. Here you can see that it is showing 0 because in the else part I wrote as 0. And if it is more than budget, if it's over budget, then what is the difference? So in this way, actually the way I have used the subtraction, you can use multiplication, division, all kind of arithmetic operation in this if condition. So in this way also you can use multiple if condition in one if, that's also can be done. So that's the basic understanding about how we can write the if condition in Excel. I hope you've got the idea how to write it. Please practice by your end, and also please let me know how you have liked this video, and please do share, subscribe the video. Thank you for watching again.